Comparing filament versus LED light from Dr. Jack Kruses' perspective, focused on biological effect. From Dr. Jack Kruses' point of view, light is not just illumination. It's a powerful biological signal that affects every cell in body, especially through its influence on circadian rhythm and mitochondrial function. Filament lights such as incidents and halogen bulbs are seen as biologically safe because they emit a warm, red rich, full spectrum light that closely resembles natural firelight or sunset. This kind of light is low in blue wavelengths, contains beneficial infrared, and does not flicker, making it supportive of melatonin production, mitochondrial health, and overall circadian balance. Especially at night, in contrast, modern LED lighting is considered biologically disruptive. Most LEDs emits high level of blue light without accompanying infrared, which Kruse views as unnatural and inflammatory. Blue light exposure after sunset tricks the brain into thinking it's daytime, suppressing melatonin, disrupting sleep, and contributing to long-term issues like insulin resistance, obesity, and even cancer. Moreover, many LEDs reduce implicable flicker and non-native EMF electromagnetic frequencies, which Kruse believes can stress the brain and nervous system. From biohackers' standpoint, Kruse comments avoiding standard LEDs altogether, especially at night, and instead using incidents, halogen, red light, or even candlelight to maintain biological alignment with natural light cycle. Next is Robert O. Baker's perspective. Robert O. Baker was a pioneer orthopedic surgeon and researcher known for his groundbreaking work on bioelectricity and regeneration. His theories focus on how body's electrical system, not just its chemical one, play a central role in healing, tissue regeneration, and even cellular differentiation. Roberto Baker's theory of regeneration, its core idea is the body is electrically controlled. Baker's proposed that the body's nervous system has direct current DC electrical signals that guide development, healing, and regeneration. These currents act like bioelectrical blueprint and a map that tells cells how to rebuild tissue correctly. The current of injury: when you are injured, your body produces a tiny DC electric current at the wounded site. This current is not a byproduct, it's an active signal that triggers healing. If this current is disrupted, healing slows or fails. Cellular differentiation: Bakers discovered that under certain electrical conditions, mature cell can revert to a more primitive stem cell-like state. This differentiation process is key to regeneration, allowing cells to become flexible enough to regrow lost tissue. Regeneration is electrically triggered. In animals like salamanders, which can regrow limbs, Bakers found specific DC electrical patterns that kickstart regeneration. He believed humans have this potential but that modern life, aging, and poor electrical signal suppresses it. The pineal perineural system regeneration wiring, Bakers identified a little known part of nervous system, the perineural system, a kind of low voltage electrical network that governs regeneration. This system runs alongside nerves and transmit regenerative signals. Silver ion and regeneration: Baker also experimented with silver ion and found they could stimulate bone and tissue regrowth, possibly by interacting with the body's bioelectric system and acting as a catalyst for differentiation. Implication of Baker's theory: healing is not just chemical like hormones or growth factor, it's electrical. By modifying electrical signal, we may be able to regrow limbs, organs, or nerves. Modern medicine often ignores and suppresses the body's electrical field, e.g. through implants or drugs, potentially harming natural regeneration process. Electrical therapies like low-level DC stimulation could be used to regenerate tissue, treat spinal cord injury, or even reverse aging-related decline. His key books: The Body Electric, co-written with Grace Salden, This book details his research into bioelectricity, regeneration, and future of medicine. Cross Currents explores the danger of EMFs and how modern environment interfere with natural electrical healing mechanism. Summary: Roberto Becker regeneration theory argues that human body has built-in bioelectric system that controls healing and tissue growth. By understanding and harnessing this DC electric signal, we could unlock natural regeneration abilities once thought impossible, similar to what salamanders do. His work laid the foundation for today's bioelectrical medicine, electroceuticals, and regenerative biotech. Would you like to simplify diagram or a modern interpretation of how biohackers' idea are used today? If you want to know, then please mention in the comment section. There are some natural ways to stimulate low-level DC bioelectric signal in the body. In line with Roberto Becker's research, though they are not as targeted as clinical electrical devices, those natural methods aim to enhance the body's own bioelectric healing system, often by working with environmental and behavioral inputs. Here's breakdown of natural ways to support or mimic low-level DC stimulation. 1. Earthing or grounding. What it is? Walking barefoot on natural surface, grass, soil, sand, or even in stone. How it helps: direct contact with earth allows free electrons to enter the body, stabilizing the electrical gradients, reducing inflammation, and enhances wound healing. Becker's angle. This mimics the natural DC potential difference between the earth and your body, possibly restoring the current of injury. Try 30 to 60 minutes barefoot on natural ground daily. 2. Sunlight exposure, especially morning sun. What it is? Exposing your skin and eyes without sunglasses to natural sunlight. How it helps? UV and infrared light, especially near infrared or NIR, can stimulate mitochondrial energy production, increase redox potential, and improve charge separation in cells. Becker's angle. Sunlight may help charge cells like biological barriers, enhancing their regenerative potential. Try 10 to 20 minutes of morning sun daily, full body if possible, no glass or sunscreen. 3. Structure water and hydration. What it is? Drinking clean water and consuming water-rich structured foods, fruits, raw veggies. How it helps? Intercellular water can act like semiconductor when properly structured, as per Dr. Gordon Pollock's easy water theory, enabling better charge movement inside tissue. Becker's angle. Proper water in and around cells, DC current flow, and healing polarity. Try. Stay well hydrated and consider spring water, fresh juices, or coconut water. Mind body practice, breath work, meditation, IQ gong. What it is? Practice with modulate your nervous system and energy fields. How it helps? Deep breathing calms state, reduce sympathetic stress, normalizes electric gradients, and may enhance DC flow in tissue. Becker's angle. This may help rebalance the pre-neural bioelectric system by reducing noise in the system. Try 15 to 30 minutes of slow breathing, meditating, or gentle movement. 5. Near infrared light exposure, photo biomodulation. What it is? Using sunlight or low level red or near infrared light panels to stimulate healing. How it helps? This wavelengths penetrates deeply and can restore cell membrane potential, improve ATP production, and active regeneration genes. Becker's angle. Red infrared light may energize tissue electrically, helping restore regenerative polarity like in salamanders. Try safe and near infrared exposure in the evening or natural sunset light. Cold exposure, cold shower, ice bath. What it is? Exposure to cold activates nerve-based thermogenesis and boosts mitochondrial activity. How it helps? It sharpens cellular electrical gradients, tightens tissue, and may help reset injured nerves. Becker's angle. Cold might act indirectly by enhancing nerve and pre-neural bioelectric signal clarity. Try cold rinse for 30 to 60 seconds after warm shower or brief cold immersion. Natural magnetic fields. What it is? Spending time in magnetically balanced natural areas, forests, oceans, or even caves. How it helps? Natural geomagnetic fields may support an alignment of electrical signal in tissue and help avoid disruption from electrical EMFs. Becker's angle. Artificial EMFs, Wi-Fi, 5G blocks or confuses DC healing current, avoiding them to restore natural healing flow. Try digital detox time plus nature immersion. Summary: natural DC bioelectric booster. Natural practice, how it helps grounding, recharges bioelectric gradient, reduces inflammation, sunlight, AM aligns circadian clocks, power mitochondrial structure, water, enhances cellular productivity, breath work. QI gong claims nervous system, balances DC fields, red near infrared light stimulates mitochondrial and electrical healing, cold exposure strengthens bioelectric response, reduces damage, EMF detox removes interferes with healing current. If you're trying to actively promote regeneration, you could combine grounding, red light, and structured water as the daily baker's style healing natural. Want to help distinguishing a simple daily routine for this? Then please comment in the comment box. I will describe it also.